Hey guys, I apologize if some of you haven't seen my property here. So, it's a work in progress. It was a mess when we took this place over. We've had a bunch of work done, had my daughter's playground done. We're still working on getting the landscaping and stuff all done, but I want to show you where my shop's going to go because I just posted that shop video, so you guys probably have no idea what I'm talking about. So let's head up here. I gotta shut the gate because the dogs might come out. So there's that beautiful, we're still moving stuff around. It's a mess. It's a nice place, but it needs some maintenance. There's my beautiful hyperheat there. So we're gonna walk up the hill. I'm gonna show you where I'm gonna build my shop. I showed you my little schematic. This junky little shed the guy built. It's got a hole in it. That's probably gonna come down, but they moved all this. They moved all this land around. So let me show you what they did here. My old work trucks are up here too. So let's do a little walk here. This is where I throw all my trash and stuff. I tell you guys when I'm unloading my trucks. So, these are all the old wire barriers that are around some of the trees when they were still small. We took those all down because the deer aren't really hitting those trees too hard now. Here's all my trash. Sorry guys, it's a hill. My cardio sucks, but yeah, there's my old work. There's my backup work truck. He's still running just fine. I'm gonna keep the license plates off here. There was my other old work truck there, but let's back up here. Let me show you guys. This is facing away, so this is my flat spot right here, guys. Look at this view I got. I'll be able to see this every day when I'm in my office. If I pan over far enough, well, can't do it from here, but where my office is going to be, let's back that back up. So my plan is to do 25 here, 50 back to here, or I might even do it so it's like this. But I want to be able to have a driveway down to my house there. I don't know. But yeah, this is the plan. So we're gonna do it like this and over, and I want to have my office window set up so I got this beautiful view every day of the mountains and everything else. So yeah, just want to show you guys that real quick because I know some of you hadn't seen that. So